This is all new Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 2022. The starting price of this machine is $19,499. Before starting this video, you should make sure to hit the subscribe button and get notified. The all new Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory having the engine with the capacity of 1007 cc, longitudinal 65-degree V4, liquid cooled 4-stroke double overhead camshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, with 81 mm bore and 52.3 mm stroke, with compression ratio is 13.6:1, which is capable to producing the maximum power of 129 kW at 11,350 rpm and delivering the maximum torque of 121 Nm at 9,000 rpm. And it has 6-speed transmission with Aprilia quick shift system AQS, and the clutch is multi-plate wet clutch with mechanical slipper system. In dimension, the wheelbase is 1452 mm and the overall length is 2070 mm and the width is 810 mm and the seat height is 837 mm and the curb weight of this machine is 209 kg and the fuel consumption is 7.2 liters per 100 km. The size of fuel tank is 17.9 liters, including 4 liters of reserve, and the CO2 emission is 170 gram per kilometer. The Aprilia control package is more comprehensive than ever with the introduction of adjustable engine braking and a total of 6 riding modes, each 3 for both road and the track. All the rider has to do is select their preferred setting, and functions including traction control, wheelie control, engine brake and ABS among others are automatically calibrated to deliver the perfect riding experience. The new design puts the focus on ergonomic with a new fuel tank and the seat lowered by 9 mm, increasing spaciousness and creating a more comfortable fit with fairing and more natural and relaxed riding position, even for taller riders. The distinctive design features include reduced surfaces and typical fairing, which now houses of a new triple configuration of LED lights and DRLs with the bending lights function. The all-new Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory is a veritable performance machine with new lines, new aerodynamic with integrated winglets, a MotoGP style swing arm, advanced electronic and 175 mighty horsepower, all making it a standout both on the road and on the track. The chassis, already recognized as a benchmark in efficiency and feeling, is further improved with the addition of a new lightweight aluminum swing arm with a low reinforced base designed to lower masses and increase the stability. It was tested on Aprilia bikes that dominated the world SBK and further developed with the MotoGP in mind. This machine is designed for the most demanding riders who are not shy about hitting the track. It comes a standard component that is anything but standard in the form of all-in smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Info for you.